Alright, here you go. 2016 Panini Contenders hobby box. Looking for at least 5 autos. Hopefully more. Here we go. Numbers and hit ship. Stephon Diggs, Jarvis Landry, David Johnson, Derek Carr. Insert Warren Moon. One sec. I'm gonna reposition. Alright. Matt Ryan, TJ Yeldon, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Blaine Gilbert, Cam Newton. Just gonna get all these out of here. That should be easier. Empty. No cards are down there either. No packs. Alright. Alex Smith, Jay Cutler, Mike Wallace, Jordan Nelson, Julian Edelman. Nothing. Von Miller, Richard Sherman, AJ Green, Calvin Benjamin, Des Bryant. No hits so far. Looking for, okay. RG3, Devontae Freeman, Todd Gurley, Phillip Rivers. Looking like, alright, numbered 248 out of 249, Phillip Rivers, numbered card. I've actually never hit, I've hit lots of eBay one-of-ones, but I've never hit the last card made. I've hit maybe 4 or 5 of the first card made, but never the last one, so interesting. Blake Bortles, LaShawn McCoy, Matt Jones, Alshon Jeffrey, Ben Roethlisberger. So right now we have no autos so far, 1 numbered. Bart Starr, Jonathan Stewart, Tony Romo, Tavon Austin. Looking like the first hit, yep, for the Bucks. Peyton Barber, Buccaneers hit. First auto out of here. And at least 4 to go. Hopefully more. Doug Martin, Ryan Matthews, Le'Veon Bell, Devin Fuchnes. Hit Nick Krasowski for the Bears. Thought that might have been the Panini thing. That's like the online card, so I moved it away just to make sure people wouldn't see it and steal it from the person. J.J. Watt, Jameis Winston, Melvin Gordon, Golden Tate, another numbered card out of 199. That'll be between Falcons and Seahawks. A random. Demaryius Thomas, Jason Witten, Rob Gronkowski, Terrell Pryor. For the Cowboys, Jalen Smith, not numbered. I hit the, in personal, I hit the variation of this. Interesting. Doug Baldwin, Jeremy Hill, Julio Jones, Marcus Mariota, Laquan Treadwell, rookie roundup, Vikings, not numbered. So the main reason I'm wearing gloves is if I find a cracked ice, you can really smudge the card with the cracked ice and potentially ruin the cracked ice-ness. Zach Ertz, Lamar Miller, Mark Ingram, Odell Beckham, MVP contenders, Amari Cooper, and then 2 for now. Alright. Just moving these aside. Okay. C.J. Anderson, Thomas Rawls, Brandon Marshall, Navarro Bowman. For the Giants, Roger Lewis, rookie card, not numbered. And now we're looking at 4 out of the minimum of 5 autos on average. But, alright, Rashad Jennings, Trevor Siemian, Jonathan Stewart, Tony Romo, Tavon Austin. Nothing. So, like I said before in the other videos, if any of you watched that, Russell Wilson, Steve Smith Sr., Melvin Gordon, Golden Tate. Okay, that's it. Jared Goff, Rookie of the Year insert. That card I just moved away was, it's for Lonte Carew. I don't know which team that's to, but it's the Panini, like, Gridiron app. Yeah. Allen Robinson, Jones Jr., Brock Osweiler, Drew Brees, and Jerome Bettis, legendary. So I was saying is, the case I got this from, the hobby shop. They had opened 5 in store, and all 5 had at least 6 autos. And so far that's proven to be true with mine getting 6 autos. They even had one that had 8, so hopefully this has a lot. Sam Bradford, Lamar Miller, Mark Ingram, Odell Beckham again, 3rd round, Austin Hooper and Nick Vannett. Ryan Tannehill, Carson Palmer, Eli Manning, Matt Forte, AJ Derby for the Patriots, not numbered. I also hit this in, this was from my personal, this is from the case now. Interesting. Another same player repeat. Wonder how good of a job they did shuffling these. But that's another card for the Patriots. Or, no, sorry, not another, but yeah, I wasn't. Alright, Jeremy Malcolm, Carlos Hyde, Joe Flacco, Delane Walker, Cam Newton, Calvin Benjamin, touchdown tandem. So, there are no more guaranteed autos, but there could still be autos. With 5 packs after this, Frank Gore, Kirk Cousins, Brandon Marshall, Navarro Bowman, and there we go. For the Broncos, Devontae Booker, sweet on-card auto. Pretty nice. I was wondering, actually, in the pictures, I'd wondered if this was a booklet or not, and now to find out that it is a legitimately sized card. So that's 6 autos, 1 of which is on card. I kind of wondered if you could get 5 stickers and 1 on card. So, there we go. Jeremy Langford, Mike Evans, Tom Brady, Robert Quinn, Rookie of the Year, Michael Thomas. There's still 3 packs. We could hit 7 autos. No, my Fitbit wants me to get steps. Sammy Watkins, Jordan Reed, Jamal Charles, DeMarco Murray, Devontae Parker. Alright, 2 packs left. Maybe we can pull some more fire. Andrew Luck, Larry Fitzgerald, Amari Cooper, Kevin White, round numbers, Jordan Reed, Alshon Robson, Jaron Reed, Alshon Robson. When I say more fire, I mean like that Booker and the Jalen Smith. None of the other cards were really as nice. Last pack. Antonio Brown, MVP contenders insert. So Prino insert. Prino hit. Jordan Matthews, Khalil Mack, Matthew Stafford, and Antonio Brown. It's weird they had those 2 stacked against each other. So, That's 2016 Contenders Football Hobby Box, the second one.